Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a luxury shaving experience with the MÜHLE Travel Florentine Leather Silvertip Fiber 5-Blade Razor Luxury Shaving Kit. If you're someone who values both quality and design, this could be the perfect addition to your grooming routine. But does it live up to the luxury promises? Let's find out. The MÜHLE Travel Florentine Leather Silvertip Fiber 5-Blade Razor Kit offers an elevated shaving experience with a focus on precision and craftsmanship. It features a razor that's compatible with Gillette Fusion cartridges, known for its 5-blade system, and precision edging blade for a close and gentle shave. This is a product that's designed not only for effective shaving, but also for a high-end, comfortable ritual. In terms of features, the razor is paired with a Silvertip fiber brush. The fibers are soft at the tips, creating a smooth lather, yet firm enough to provide the desired sensation when applying the shave cream or soap. This brush allows for an excellent lathering process without feeling harsh on the skin. The real star here is the handmade Florentine leather case. Crafted with exceptional attention to detail by Florentine artisans, this case elevates the overall experience and adds a touch of elegance to your shaving kit. So, how does this kit perform in real life? Using the MÜHLE razor, I found that the 5-blade system offered an incredibly smooth shave, which was both close and gentle, perfect for sensitive skin. The precision blade at the back of the cartridge is perfect for detailing and shaping sideburns or shaving around the edges of the beard. The Silvertip fiber brush is an absolute treat, soft and comfortable. It distributes the shave cream evenly and creates a thick, luxurious lather. The leather case, though not an essential part of the shave itself, adds a level of sophistication and care to the entire shaving experience, making it perfect for travel or a sleek addition to your bathroom shelf. When it comes to the pros, the MÜHLE kit stands out for its exceptional craftsmanship. The materials are top-notch, and the brush provides a premium lathering experience. The razor gives a close shave, and the inclusion of the leather case makes it a perfect gift or travel companion. However, there are a couple of cons worth noting. The price point is certainly on the higher end, which might not appeal to those looking for a more budget-friendly option. Additionally, the brush can take a bit of time to get used to, as its firmness is quite different from traditional badger hair brushes. As for value for money, it's definitely a splurge, but if you're someone who appreciates high-quality craftsmanship, durability, and a premium grooming experience, this kit could be worth every penny. The Gillette Fusion compatibility is a huge plus, as it's easy to replace the cartridges, ensuring that the razor remains a long-term investment. If you're looking for an alternative, there are definitely more affordable shaving kits out there, but they won't offer the same level of craftsmanship or the luxury feel of this MÜHLE set. However, if you're on a tighter budget, you can find other Gillette-compatible razors that provide a similar shave without the high-end brush and leather case. Just know that you might be sacrificing the artistry and experience for a more functional approach. As for the build quality, everything about this kit feels premium. The leather case is sturdy, the brush is well made, and the razor provides a smooth, effective shave. I wouldn't expect any of these elements to wear down quickly. Plus, MÜHLE is committed to sustainability, which adds a nice ethical touch to the overall package. Final thoughts: the MÜHLE Travel Florentine Leather Silvertip Fiber 5-Blade Razor Luxury Shaving Kit is a fantastic product for those looking for a top-tier shaving experience, combining high-quality materials with practical design. It's especially suited for those who travel often or anyone who values a luxurious grooming routine. While it's an investment, the quality and craftsmanship justify the price. If this review has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so more beauty lovers can find this video. Your support helps us continue making honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.